Today we're going to play a number matching game. To get started, you will need star cards and moon cards. When you get your cards, they're going to be all mixed up, just like mine. I don't have all my cards on the table, but you'll have a lot more than I will. What I like to do is put my numbers in order to get started. So let me move my cards around over here. Let's see, I need number 1 to go first. 2, 3, and you'll keep going all the way down to line up your numbers. Next, you're going to find the moons that match each number. So this is the number 1, O-N-E, spells 1. Do you see the way to spell 1? Yep, there it is. Let me put the partners next to each other. All right, next we have 2, T-W-O. Look, there's 2. That's the partner. And then 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. They go together. You're going to keep going to find the number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once you're done matching them up, you get to make a tornado. Oh man, they are all mixed up. Then you're going to see if you can find the partners even faster the second time. Watch me. I'm going to go super duper fast because I've been practicing. 1. Oh, there's 2, 3. Oh, there's 1. There's the number 2. There's the number 3. Wow, I was super fast this time. All right, so you can mix it up and do a tornado a few times until you practice matching the number to the word. Then, don't forget to take a picture and send your matches to your teacher. Have fun, boys and girls.